So the hard part about this is the AC stretch belt. So you use this tool and you take this bolt off. You won't be needing the bolt. Now what I did, I just took a razor blade and I cut the AC belt off. So probably if you're watching this on YouTube, doing the belts, you want to just cut it off. If you're doing service on something, then maybe you could reuse it, but you know, 117,000 miles. And then it has a little groove right here. You put it on here, and then you put the belt on and you jam it, and then you twist the crankshaft bolt up, and then you kind of guide. See how it locks in place without the bolt? You guide this right here on this side, and because it was so tight, I loosened these 3 bolts on the AC so it could tilt a little bit, give me a little extra room, and it was able to easily come on with loosening these bolts. I didn't take the bolts out, I just loosened them a little, and then I took this one all the way to the last thread because it's going to tip, and it's pretty easy. I don't have a cameraman, so I couldn't do it and film, but it's pretty easy how you do it. You just wrap the belt on here and you get it started, and then you slowly crank while your other hand is on this belt guiding it so it doesn't go off the ridges right here. You do it really slow and you double check everything, and then you'll get it nice and aligned. This is a really good tool, inexpensive. So yeah. Came with a new tensioner and idler. I did the water pump at 107 and a new thermostat, but I skipped the belts, and then 10,000 miles later I got it done. So yeah, pretty good. Next is the valve cover, and get that replaced. Probably some new spark plugs. Will be the next mission, and then brakes. So brakes are getting pretty thin, getting really close. So brakes are next. There's all the old parts. This bearing was making a little noise. This was good. I got all replaced. They were just really stiff. Not cracked, but stiff. They were ready. You know. It was time. And now I don't have to worry about it for another 100,000 miles. Thanks for watching.